Hi everyone, it's Jen and Tammy, and we are at a location you have probably never seen before.
No.
This is the Red Lion Hotel. This is template on the beautiful Spokane River.
Yeah.
In Post Falls, Idaho. We're not too far away from our world headquarters.
Yeah.
And the reason that we are here is we're talking about a fall quilt retreat opportunity for you.
Yep.
And up till now, we have had every single one of our quilt retreats at Camp Luther Haven.
That's right.
Many of you have been able to attend that. Absolute blast.
Oh, we've loved meeting all of you too.
It's
great.
We love that, getting to meet everyone. We've been doing tutorials.
Yeah.
There's a pop-up quilt shop, and we just love getting to connect with each and every quilter that shows up. And one of the things that we do at our quilt retreats is we give out a survey, and you know, we read these and we discuss these, and we say, how do we make it better and better each time?
For everyone. That's right.
So what is one of the things that we said, you know what, we've been reading this comment a couple times.
Yeah, we've seen it several times, and we decided that not having uneven walkways that are difficult to navigate if you're mobility impaired at all, or you want your own room.
Yep.
That's a big one, and I understand that. I do. I would want my own room too.
Okay.
I get that, but I'd share with you, Jen.
Okay. So if that's you and you're like, yes, what has prevented me, or I went to a retreat and I would really like to have my own room. This is why in fall of 2025, we will still be having our Camp Luther Haven Quilt Retreat opportunity.
Absolutely.
But we're also offering now the Red Lion Quilt Retreat opportunity as well. So how fun that we can provide for many that said, I want to come back here. I love camp, and I love camp.
I do too. Yeah.
But if you want to have that hotel experience, here's how this would be a little bit different than Camp Luther Haven. When you sign up for Camp Luther Haven, you sign up, that's all you need to do. We take care of the rest. If you do want to join us for the quilt retreat here at the Red Lion, so that you are in full control of what happens with your accommodation, your hotel room, when you sign up, you're signing up for just the quilt retreat portion.
That's right.
And you will be contacting the hotel directly to book your room. We'll have a booking code.
We'll have a code. That's right, that you'll be emailed, and you need to call the hotel immediately, because we have a book of rooms that they're holding for us, a block of rooms.
Yep.
That's what they call that. Yes, so they'll be holding a block of rooms, and you can get your room then.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So we're at here. We've seen everything.
Yep.
It's again on this beautiful river. Down below, I see the beautiful boats. I know they have a pool and other accommodations. Of course, check that out. But you know what? Whether it's Camp Luther Haven or here, people are going to have an amazing experience.
Absolutely.
And we want to see you at our next quilt retreat. So without delay, head to the website. These are going to go very quickly. Grab your spot in either Camp Luther Haven or at the Red Lion Hotel. And we look forward to meeting you in fall of 2025.